Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to force delete a file or a folder that cannot be deleted on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you have a file you want to delete on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, and then you discover that when you try to delete the folder is unable to be deleted, like you click on delete button, then you say couldn't find this item, this is no longer located in this directory, then that means you won't be able to delete the folder or the file on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then here in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to force delete a file that can't be deleted on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do when you want to force delete a file that can't be deleted on Windows 10 is go ahead and open the file location or the folder location. So let's say this is the folder I want to delete that I'm trying to delete, but it says can't be deleted. Now what you need to do is press the shift key on Windows 10, right click, and then click on copy as path. On Windows 11, just right click on it and then select copy as path to copy the file or folder as path. Now go ahead and close this. Press the Windows and R button on your PC keyboard, then type CMD, click on enter button. This is going to open your Windows command prompt. On the command prompt, you need to type in the following command as it is. Type RD spacebar /X spacebar 2 / question mark and then /. Now paste the path you copied using Ctrl V, click on the enter button, then to delete this part click on Y on the keyboard, then click on enter. Then if you go back to the folder you are trying to delete or the file you are trying to delete on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, you discover that the file or folder is no longer available. Let's try it again. Right click on the folder, copy as path, then go to the command prompt, RD spacebar /X spacebar question mark Ctrl V, enter and then Y. Then if you go back to the folder or file, you should see that the file is no longer available. So that's exactly how to force delete a file that can't be deleted on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.